Very easy to say about change. How do we change? How do we get clean, cheap, convenient energy and water? I have to correct understanding and make possible. We have to take pride of who we are. We are human. When we take pride of who we are, we'll do positive and constructive. Inconvenient. We are the only one who cultivate our food, manufacture our goods, and clean up everyone's mess. In so doing, we ceaselessly make every process cheaper, cleaner, and more convenient. By so, we create jobs, drive economy, and beautify the environment. The richest can then become richer. Next. The next correction is, do you believe we have perpetual engines? Who do not agree, put up your hand. Who agree, put up your hand. Yes. Have put up your hand with your what? Yes. Do you have to change battery? Those who do not need to change battery, put up your hand. This is a engine, precise, reliable. As long as we improve the efficiency, all your devices, electronic devices, handheld devices will be sold. This will make the next drive for electronics. Next. In order to get clean and clean water, we need a choke-free filter. Do you believe filter can be choke-free? Here you are. Next. This is a filter you see. Next. This is a mechanized filter, but it is not choke-free. Next. You see, this is a river with white river, you need piling in the center, and the filter is not clean. Next. This is the initiation. We make the filter skewed, and all the rubbish go to one side. This is the filter installed in Bandung. You can see the rubbish go to one side and collected. These are inventions that is installed throughout Singapore and applied in Pakistan, Thailand, and maybe China. Next. How do you do it? We get the street boys to install it in Bandung. Next. We bring back to them. They will not be seduced by anarchism. They will be proud of what they do. This is fundamental to resolve terrorism. We bring pride to everyone. Next. Their work inspires people around them. By doing so, by doing more this, we move the community. They are the angels. We must be the guardian of these angels. We must help them to get away from destruction. We have to bring them to constructive roads. How do we get official approval of this? We make this, we install to the municipal authorities, and they immediately approve. We do it before we. And these solutions protect water dams. This is a question raised by Bandung municipals. Can this will be the solutions? Solutions. Next. And this and it can as after our discussions. Next. From General Electric, Rolls-Royce, how to protect the engine from burst. This will be implemented with more detailed analysis and inventions. Next. And how to protect the river of silting. This is the satellite photo of Yellow River. Next. Just now, we see this choke-free filter that you think is impossible. Now we make it possible. Biotechnology is the next application. Biotech is about how to use the law of nature to solve problems that we have. Composting. If we can divide the solid and the liquid, we can make the solid compost because the organism in solid and liquid are different, and in this invention we allow different organisms to decompose the waste. We stack them. The bottom will have the lower form of fungi, and then we have mushrooms, and then we have worms and different organisms will come decompose the organic waste. And the top is product which used as a shield. So we use a choke-free filter to divide the solid, and then we use different organisms naturally occur to digest the food, the organic waste. And the top will act as a filter. Next. This is called wisely use the forces of nature to provide clean and cheap and convenient water. Next. This is a picture. Intel 40. The priest play to electronics instruments because in Bali, they bring the Western fertilizer and insecticides, and it spoiled the whole ecosystem. After that, they realized the Bali priest has deeper knowledge of how to use the forces of nature. So they combine traditional method and scientific methods. This is not a superstition, but this is combining wisdom of traditions and modern. Next. So we have make impossible a filter that is choke-free to provide clean and convenient and cheap water, and we have corrected two misunderstandings. One is we make things cheaper, better, and more convenient. And second is we can have perpetual engines. The third. Next. Carbon is the choice by Mother Nature to carry energy. Next. Every tons of food that we eat, we produce 10 tons of waste. So we use the best for food, the next for animal feedstock, the next for external usage for construction material, and only the waste, we burn it for energy. This is like human beings. We produce tears to clean up the eyes. The tears go to the nose to stick the dirt in the air, and this go into our stomach. One teardrop are used more than once. This is biotechnology. This is not creating another drugs, but knowing how to use the forces of nature to achieve clean, cheap, and convenient energy and water. The burning technology is a bit sensitive because it can be destructive, so I'll skip through. Next. If you look at tree, agriculture and you have manufacturing, industrializations, we will reduce the need of mining because manufacturing is not using more and more metal, but more and more efficient use, multiple use of materials. The future will have less mining. The details will be shared in future seminars. Okay? By having clean, cheap, and convenient water and energy will drive economy, mitigate poverty, and reduce sickness like Zika, like dengue, because how you clean your waterway. Next, we shall correct two fatal misunderstanding, the root cause of suffering